Okay. First time hitting something this big, so don't judge me on my technique. Woo! Let's go! One more go! One more go! Oh my gosh, that thing is terrifying. You get too much air because the launch is basically vertical. Like, look at this. Oh, it doesn't translate to camera, but this junk is like, that's at like a 45-degree angle right there. But then this like landing is also like almost completely vertical. I'm landing and then I'm blipping my throttle to land properly and make sure my back tire is good, everything, whatever. But that's taking weight off my front wheel, so my front wheel isn't dropping down when I go down this ditch, right? My freaking back wheel just kind of, I don't know how to explain it. That's not really what it's doing, but just trust me, it's terrifying. And then of course, if something happens and you like, I don't know, if something happens, you got a big old puddle right there that you could hit, which would be fun. That jump is insane. I gotta see how much air I got. That was so much fun. Bruh, I'm out here riding at Silver Lake, right? Got some of the trails going here, some of the dual track. Tell me why, in the middle of driving out here, I find a trash pile with this in it, dog. What the f? No, there's no f***ing way. Bro, what's on the other side? What's on the other side? Is it the lewd side? God damn. Hold on. Flip it over. God. Come on now. There's a whole head of hair. I hope that's not a body. Look at that. There's no way that's real. Bruh, somebody left a whole shoe. Somebody lost a whole shoe. 2 whole shoes. There's one over there. Like, bro, I'm shook that this is happening. I don't even want to know